Welcome! Today we're making upcycled egg carton flowers, a cheerful, eco-friendly craft perfect for spring, gifts, or decor. This project is fun, creative, and a great way to recycle egg cartons. Here's what you'll need: a clean egg carton, acrylic paint, and colorful pipe cleaners. You'll also want scissors, a paintbrush, and a covered workspace for easy cleanup. Start by cutting the egg carton into individual cups. These will become your flower blossoms. Trim and shape each cup into petals, making different types of flowers if you wish. Paint the flower shapes with bright colors. Let your creativity bloom. Allow the paint to dry completely before moving to the next step. Like the designs in today's project? Check out our custom-made designs just for you at our Printify store. Personalize your own gifts or decor. Start browsing now. Poke a small hole in the center of each flower and insert a pipe cleaner as the stem. Twist or bend the pipe cleaner to secure it in place. Your upcycled egg carton flowers are ready to display in a vase or give as a handmade gift. Customize with glitter, beads, or layered petals for extra flair. Egg carton flowers are perfect for parties, home decor, or classroom crafts. This DIY is budget-friendly, sustainable, and ideal for solo or group crafting. Share your finished flowers with us on social media. We love seeing your recycled blooms. For ready-made floral design gifts, visit our Printify store. Thanks for joining us for this upcycled egg carton flower tutorial. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more creative DIY inspiration. Happy crafting! Let your creativity blossom.